As long as you have somebody in your sights, you're fine. Me, sniper. Oh, what the? Where'd you come from? Hi. Normally, I'm the one who scares people by sneaking up on them with a knife, but I guess today's just not my day. I just witnessed somebody get shot by a minigun. I'm upset at you, Anubis. I thought you were better than this.
Stop using the stupid minigun! You know what?
I'm terribly sorry for this.
3, 2, 1, begin.
I'm sorry.
If you can't beat him, join him.
On me because I died from it.
Yeah, you get.
I get lasered by minigun.
That's why I Hi.
Oh no, minigun! Miniguns! No
I killed
minigun!
the minigun guy,
Same, I killed the minigun.
but now I have a minigun.
I've been shot in the back by a sniper.
Hey.
My dick hurt. I don't know what I just said.
Wait, is it
I
knife only?
Ow.
No, I'm just
Yeah,
fighting
knife
with
only,
what
knife only.
I'm good
Oh
with.
shit.
A knife only? Other knife only?
Knife. You shot me in the rifle, you punk. Did you hear knife?
Knife.
Hey.
I need to hide around the corner, so do not stab me while I'm running for my life from somebody using a gun.
Triple kill.
Ow.
Thanks.
Killed by
Yeah,
one.
using a gun is lame.
Quad kill.
I shot you in the
Oh, boy.
dick.
Guns
How
are
did you not
lame,
die?
Bro.
Hey, boy.
You're not
Guns
an
are
epic
lame,
gamer if
bro.
you use a gun.
You dickhole.
Hey, hold on. No.
Triple kill. Quad kill.
That's something right now.
I killed a Anubis.
God.
I killed it. I killed a minigun
tank,
timer, by the way.
Hit that nigga.
Aggressive knife
Over the skull
noises.
throat.
God, I haven't played this game in so long.
Man, y'all too far, bro. I'm trying.
Milk for the cornflakes. I ran out of things to say. Okay, I'm sorry.
What? Milk for the
Milk for the cornflakes.
cornflakes?
Come here,
Why
die.
you keep killing me,
Oh,
bro?
I accidentally used a knife. I meant to say I accidentally used a gun. But I accidentally said
Just
no.
get it.
Use a
Chicken.
knife, my guy.
No.
Ow.
Double kill.
God, we agreed on knives, not guns, you punks. I am in much pain. Very much pain because of you, Zero. You have zero worth in this world because you're using a gun. I punch as a loser.
Triple kill.
I'm about to dead. I'm dead. I committed die.
Quad kill.
Hi off, why?
Oh,
Because we want to fly. We want to be birds.
Miniguns.
Got
I wish you could have
gunner.
dual knives. I wish you could use knives. But dual knives, though, that would be cool.
Oi, we agreed on knives, not guns, you bastard. You are a dick. No.
What if we all agree to stop killing each other? Except for the fucker I punched because he keeps using a stupid
Zero
minigun.
keeps using a bloody
Just
rifle.
killed the
and it's
Anubis guy.
starting to
Everyone
piss
stop
me off.
killing and killed it.
Ow.
What?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ, Anubis, stop! We agreed on knives, you dick.
I don't think I should.
Quad kill.
Yeah, we all did.
Kill.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Knives.
I will have your head on a stick!
Unbelievable.
And I did. I did have your
shooting.
zero words. Saying dick is not a cuss word, if that's what you're saying. Oh, Jesus. Where'd you
You're
go?
looking out minigun.
Thank you for your death.
Mother nigga.
Blood for blood sacrifice. Thank you very much.
Don't kill me, but don't kill the skeleton. I'm just gonna hunt down the people that keep using guns.
Yeah, me too.
Good idea.
Oh, no,
Oh,
you're
jeez.
not.
Kill us using a knife. There's so
Sorry,
much
you
fun
startled me.
using a gun.
I kindly witnesses. Zero, punch! Punch, you bastard! Put
Yeah,
the
just
fucking
kill everyone that
minigun
uses a
down.
gun. Just kill everyone that uses a gun.
Because you need to. Thank you. I stabbed you in the dick. I am being shot in
Oh,
the
he's
back.
using a gun.
Know what? Just gonna avoid him. I'm gonna be smart and I'm just gonna avoid him.
Kill.
Oh,
geez.
Anubis.
Triple kill.
Think.
Kill. Incredible.
How is he not dead? Does using the minigun give you extra health? I hit him
No.
literally
Wait.
multiple
Go to
times
sleep.
with the knife.
Sorry. I can't have witnesses.
I hit him
Oh,
again
Jesus
and
Christ.
he didn't die.
My face is in a wall! Oh, skeleton, you're good.
Hang on, don't not kill me.
I got the guy trying to kill you. I got another gun user, so I'm using the gun right back.
Triple kill.
Oh wait, he's dead. Oh, fucking Anubis!
Oh,
That's
it's
how I
you,
take it.
yes.
Can't stop me from cussing up.
Incredible.
Get the teabag.
I've been shot in the ass! And my head's in a wall. That's great. Hi, skeleton man.
Hello.
Anubis, get back here. Woo! Oh, I killed him.
Oh, he's back! He's back to life! Jesus Christ, Anubis! Sorry, I'm now paranoid that Anubis is right behind me. Jesus Christ! I know you're the goddamn damn, so put the bloody minigun down. Oh, you're good. Oh wait, no, I'm not good. I'm not good. I'm under attack.
You're not using a gun.
I'm paranoid.
Do you not hear me?
Die, Anubis! Ah, gun user!
Did you not?
Gun user! I've had enough of you! Show them you're the fuck!
Kill.
That's
I'm
a
against
good enable.
guns like... Yeah, he died.
I killed him.
Oh,
with a
my
gun.
eye! You poked my eye out! Now I have one eye! Got Anubis with a gun,
Don't
though.
kill me, the guy with the minigun. I'm just trying to kill Anubis with a gun.
Oh, sorry, terribly sorry.
Yeah, you just
I did not hear you in time.
That's fine.
Ow.
Anubis, where are you?
Oh, hi there, minigun user. Sorry, I got scared again. I heard Anubis dead.
Oh, Anubis is about to tank,
I dealt damage to Anubis. I missed my shots, though. I've been shot in the ass. Why do you aim for the ass?
No, I'm on your team.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Thanks.
Quad kill.
I needed that. I need the blood. Oh, hi, skeleton. You're good on my book.
Kill.
Oh, nice, you killed him.
Where'd the 30
Now I
bucks
can kill you guys.
Incredible.
Oh, there's
Hey, kill
another
Anubis with the
Anubis.
gun.
He's using the shotgun now.
I feel like
No, there's two Anubises, and they're both using guns. Now I'm confused. Which Anubis do I hunt?
at this point just use guns!
Fuck!
Believe me, I am upset as well.
I don't want to use guns.
Well, then we can just pick the
Oh,
right
Jesus
one.
Christ, Anubis!
Yeah, let's take it. That's so much easier.
That's it.
Because there's no...
Anubis, I want your head on this stick. Put your hands in the air. Oh, fuck, you shot me in the back.
Oh, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
I'm terribly sorry. Ah, Finox. Nice job, you got me.
Yeah, let's just choose the knife-only game mode.
Oh, get me out of here! Anubis is here! I've had to start using a gun. I'm dishonorable at this point, but I don't care. I shot him with a dick. He should
Everybody's
know.
just...
Double kill.
I gotta use some guns.
Yeah,
Ah, fucking Anubis again.
Kill.
had to pull out the sniper.
You know what? I'm using the shotgun. I don't care about honor or being a good person.
I want to have honor, but I cannot.
Triple
I'm
kill.
afraid I cannot have honor. Oh, that's going Unite is not honorable. I'm afraid I can't have honor this round because fucking Anubis and shit in the sky.
What's the most broken gun in your opinion? Minigun?
Minigun definitely.
Shotgun's pretty bad too.
Oh wait, where did I get shot from? This man wasn't even looking at me, and I just died of a heart attack.
I'm sorry, my guy, but I need to spam using the minigun. I died. That's kind of
Oh, where is he? Oh, he was above me. What the fuck?
Hey, bye. Bye, bud.
Oh, Jesus Christ, no, Anubis! No! No!
Triple kill.
I'm going to die.
Thank you for your death. I need the blood. I need the soul. You
But
lost
the
soul
SMG
privileges.
is pretty good too.
You lost your soul privileges.
Your free
Bonk.
trial of life have ended.
I got the Anubis. I will not
Adios.
die to a plain peasant like you if I killed Anubis.
I killed Anubis so many
I
times.
killed somebody who tried to kill me after I shot Anubis. Now I'm pissed.
Wait, no. If you
Blood for the blood god. Oh,
Why does it automatically switch to smoke? It's annoying.
because you clicked on it.
wait,
I did not. It's a smoke. It's the
You don't.
Oh,
Oh balls.
Why don't you die? I shot you with a fucking nose.
Incredible.
Nah, I think I did. I don't know though.
wait. Let's just cover the
Ah!
whole map.
Oh my god! You stole my lungs.
Triple kill.
I shot you in the knees. I took out your knees. Ah!
All about your,
Ah! My dick.
all about your spinal cord.
Double.
I got hit in the dick by a knife. Oh
Give me
fuck!
your
It's
seminal
Anubis.
fluid.
Oh fuck! Somebody saved my
Hang on.
life.
Be back.
Wait, don't shoot. You jerk.
Ah! Oh no, he's back again.
Pull out the
ran
second
onto my
fucking
knife,
gun,
that
you
wasn't my
stupid
fault.
bitch.
Triple kill.
Oh, dishonorable. I hope he gets banned from everything.
I hate being dishonorable, but sometimes you just gotta do it because there's a minigun of Anubis here. He's got the minigun of plague. Okay, so one shot to the knee. Jesus Christ, he's here.
Unbelievable.
Fuck! I want to murder Anubis one more time before the round ends.
Just kill the guy with a minigun.
I got him.
If anyone
I got his
uses a
ass.
minigun- Nice. Well, time for. Yeah, dude. There's a new using a minigun right now.
Ah, my! Why you shot me in the kidney?
Triple kill.
Don't shoot a man
130
in the
minigun
kidneys.
kills.
Hold on, I'm trying to murder Anubis, you dick.
That's pretty funny. 100. No. Yep, 130 minigun kills.
Victory.
70 gun and knife kills. Said that had to be dishonorable, so I can't count it as all knife.
I mean, I used.
I'm sad.
Good game.
But most of those were knife. Most of those